Good morning, dear students. Today, from class 4 science, we are going to start the chapter number 46, teeth and microbes. And this chapter I will take in the part 1 and part 2. Likewise, the part 1 will be on teeth and the part 2 will be on microbes. So today the class is on part 1, teeth. Okay, so let's start. We know teeth are very important part of body. Teeth gives shape to our face. Teeth help us to bite and chew our food and help us to speak clearly. We all are born without teeth. Teeth start growing out of the germs later. Now we will study about sets of teeth. We have two sets of teeth. First, temporary teeth, and second is permanent teeth. Now let us study about the first, temporary teeth. By the age of 3, a child has a set of 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. As the milk teeth fall, new teeth grow in their places from the gums. This new center of teeth is called permanent teeth. Every adult usually has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Upper and lower jaw have same kind of teeth. If you lose any two from the set of permanent teeth, you will not get a new one in its place. There are 4 kinds of permanent teeth: incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. So let's know about them one by one. Incisors. The 4 front teeth in each jaw are incisors. They have sharp straight edges. They are used for cutting and biting food. For that reason, they are also called cutting teeth. Canine. There are 2 canine in each jaw. They are present on either side of the incisors in each jaw. They are very sharp and pointed. They help to tear food. They are also called tearing teeth. Now let's know about the premolar. Premolar. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. They are next to canines. They are broad and flat. They help us track and crush the food like nuts. They are also called cracking teeth. Now let's know molar. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to the premolars. They are bigger and broader than premolars. They help to grind the food. They are also called grinding teeth. Now look at this picture. It is showing location of all teeth. So in an adult, out of 32 teeth, there are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars. Do you know, out of total 12 molars, 8 grow fast and fall later. These last molars are also known as wisdom teeth. Now let's study about the structure of a tooth. When we open our mouth and look in the mirror, we can see a set of teeth. The soft gum hold on each teeth tightly at their place. Each tooth has 2 parts, crown and root. The part of the tooth that we can see is crown, and the part inside the gum that we cannot see is root, just like a tree. The outside white covering of the tooth is called enamel. This is the hardest material in the human body. The layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is called dentin. The center of the tooth is called pulp chamber. It lies inside the dentin. It is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. Now let's know about tooth decay. So first of all, we should know what is tooth decay. When we eat small bits of food, it's stuck between teeth and we don't brush teeth properly, this stuck food rots and teeth get covered with the thin thicker layer of the germs called plaque. This plaque reacts with the sugar present in the food to produce acid, and this acid affects the tooth enamel and starts sticking it. This is called the tooth decaying. It causes holes or cavity in the enamels. As a result, the nerves and the blood vessels in the pulp get exposed when any cold or hot things comes in contact with the exposed nerves. we get toothache. This tooth decay causes toothache, fall, smell from the mouth, stomach disorder, cavity of the teeth, bleeding gums, and so many problems. So now it's our duty to take care about the tooth. And how we can take care, we know it very well, but sometimes we become lazy and we don't follow. So my dear Aditya and Shubhasri, we must follow this. We can save teeth from decay by taking care of them. Bits of food sticking to the teeth can cause the growth of bacteria. Bacteria first attack the enamel, then the dentine, and finally the pulp. When bacteria reaches the nerves within the pulp, it causes pain. Tooth decay results in bad breath, cavity, toothache, bleeding, gums, indigestion, so many things. The following are the some steps to keep our teeth healthy and strong that you know very well. Brush your teeth every morning and every night before going to bed. Make sure that brush moves up and down as shown in the figure on your book, page number 48. Wash your mouth after each meal. Do not eat too many sweets and chocolates. And try to visit the dentist twice in a year. So this was the chapter on the teeth, and the next chapter means the part 2 will be on microbes. So watch the video, listen the audio again and again. Till then, tata bye bye. Wait for the next part 2 on microbes. Bye everyone.